flying out of the house now because the coach are coming. About 100 of them.
What's up, bro? How's your day been?
Who's in charge? Who's in charge?
Hey, stop, come on, man. Move, move, move!
One more time.
On the 15th of November 2025, an Airbnb noise complaint in a Gulf Coast jurisdiction escalated into a warrantless entry and juvenile arrest.
You live here or are you picking up someone?
I'm picking up someone.
Okay.
How many and for what vehicle?
Run those 3 tags. Do a tow for them.
1020.
Hi.
Bravo.
You live here?
No.
Are you? Who's the adult that lives here?
Victor Bravo 15E.
Huh? Okay. Why is there kids in here? We need to get them all go home. I'm already going to be towing every car in the street.
All right. I'm getting everybody out.
Everyone needs to go home. Are you still waiting on kids?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, tow every car. Yep. No, that one's not on the road. Do this one.
Hey, open the door. We don't go get told. They finna go every car. Hey, whoever car there, y'all shit finna get told. Whoever car there, y'all shit finna get told. Whoever car there finna get told.
Why are you here?
Who?
You.
I just walked up here. I don't know. I just got here, sir. I don't know nothing about this.
Oh, now look at everyone. Okay, now you can hold off on the tow. They're all flying out of the house now because the tows are coming. About 100 of them. Jumping fences.
What's up, bro? How's your day been?
Bye.
I'm leaving, sir.
I think Troy's canceling the 10-7.
That was intimidating.
Find out who owns this house at the Airbnb.
My bestie. Y'all get home safe.
Who's in charge?
Y'all home safe. Y'all be safe.
Who's in charge?
Hey, Tasha. Everybody be safe.
Huh?
He's not walking in.
Can we what?
He's not walking in.
I see alcohol. I'm gonna walk in. So, excuse me now. You get on my way or you want to go to jail?
Touch me like that. Move, move, move! Give us your arm. Give us your arm. My arm right here, bro. Give us your other arm. Give us your other arm. It's right here, bro. Move it. Oh, but I'm tripping. You got it? Back up. All right, I'm trying to go out. What are you doing?
See that 40 store?
Everybody leave. Everybody leave.
If you have any other tenant, time and route, please.
Pepper spraying me and everything, bro, for what? Man, y'all pepper spraying me and shit, bro. Y'all don't gotta do it now.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
Whose house is this?
I don't know, I'm just trying to be
I appreciate you. I'm not yelling at you.
Hey, y'all back up. Just go in the room, wait, and then we gonna exit.
Stand up.
Move.
Y'all pepper spray.
Y'all stand up.
Roll on a side. Now, go toes up.
Is this your chain?
Go away.
Hey, get my chain.
I got your chain.
Come on, bro.
Let's go. I
need my sandals, bro.
Okay, we'll get that in a second.
I need my sandals.
Get that in a second.
Go or you're going to jail.
Like,
Go or you're going to jail.
Like, what the f***?
Are you guys staying here?
Nah, yeah, I was here already.
You stay here is what I'm asking.
Yeah, I was here. Yeah, this is the Airbnb.
This is your Airbnb?
Yeah.
All right.
Y'all look at the mess y'all made. Y'all gotta clean that up.
No, we ain't clean anything. Whose house? Whose
Y'all gotta
house?
clean that. Y'all made that. Ball-headed bitch, y'all
I'm
made
gonna tell you
that.
one more time. You better leave.
Lock me up there. What you
All right,
want?
no,
You're gonna be
no,
now.
Lock me up for?
Hey,
Lock me up for?
bro, you make it.
I'm getting on the car.
What else you got on you?
I don't got nothing on me.
I'm saying, do you got your wallet? What else you got?
No, I just got my gun. No.
A minor that just battered a police officer. Y'all can leave.
Sierra 40, if you can advise the responding county units to help us push everybody out of here to 6th Street, please.
Can you call your mom?
I can't call my mom, bro. Call my mom, bro. 'Cause you niggas tripping.
Go ahead and get a car. Put the phone.
Can I not call his
Go.
mom? Why
Go.
can I not call his mom?
It's not your property.
It's not yours.
Go.
Y'all pepper spray me in my bro. Yeah.
What you?
Still, it's fine. We should still call his parents.
Can you worry about yourselves and go? We have his stuff. Go.
Ball-headed ass. Ball-headed ass.
Just keep walking, dude. Just keep walking. Just keep walking. You loud. Just go. Bro, I'm telling you. Bro, just go. You keep walking.
Can you show that room? Please. Yep.
Come on, open the door. For real, I got the door.
We have what? We got one sprayed? We got one sprayed?
Yeah, one sprayed.
Y'all pepper sprayed me, man. I ain't even doing nothing, bro. Like, you tripping, folks. Get me on this shit, bro. Come on, bro. Tripping, bro.
162, if you can go out to Cortez, make sure everyone's getting pushed down the road, please. On Cortez or out to Palm Beach Road, make sure this crowd keeps getting pushed back out. Everyone off the street.
What you pepper spraying me for? Like, ain't no reason to pepper spray me for. Y'all boys just tripping, man.
Are you guys okay? Is everyone out of your yard and everything?
It's really loud, or we have a kid sleeping inside.
No, I understand. We're trying to get everyone out of here for you.
Yeah. Thanks. Is everything okay?
Yeah, a teenage party that got out of control.
Other than the OC sprayed, are you injured or anything else like that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Fire rescue's gonna come out and check you out, alright?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No other injuries or anything like
No,
that?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Alright.
I'm sorry. I just, this burns. I didn't know what I did.
Chris, you sprayed? You sprayed? Okay.
Everyone's stuff.
Respectfully, y'all. Why y'all have to do that?
I'm not even trying to be
Are you really asking that question? If you want to have a serious conversation, we'll talk. Okay. Oh, then we'll talk.
I'm good. Okay, sir.
No, we're good. And that's what I'm saying. I'm going to talk to you.
That is
You want
a party.
We can have an open dialogue back and forth and talk.
That's
right?
why.
No problem,
Okay,
sir.
so
I want no
Do
problem.
you want to have everything started?
No, we're gonna
Oh,
get
yeah,
everyone's
four-
stuff and
we
We
we're
have,
gonna
four,
go home.
listen, we have 4 or 5 neighbors call about the noise complaint. Okay, we get here, and all of a sudden everyone takes off running.
Yeah.
Then everyone wants to get to fighting, and then everyone wants to start pulling their phones out and yelling and screaming at us rather than just leaving.
I understand.
Okay, you guys are a bunch of underage juveniles having a party, which is illegal, with alcohol.
Yeah.
So if you just disperse, you wouldn't have this problem. But if you want to start having a problem, then we're gonna have a problem. So that's where we're at. So that's you.
We're just gonna
So
get
you got a question? Then I was just
That's
asking.
my only question. I'm okay.
So who rented the house?
Not me. But we're gonna get our stuff and leave.
Who rented the house out?
I did.
Okay, do we have your information yet?
Own it? Yeah, I can give you my.
Chris, this is a renter of the house. Hey, and Chris,
All right, ma'am. What's your information?
ma'am, how old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 15, man.
And we rented this under you? This
I
is
did,
yours? Okay,
yes.
then why do we have kids here drinking? A
First-
lot of kids.
First of all, I came here earlier,
Does anyone
and
see
it was
advise the age of the juvenile?
nobody was here. Like, you know what I'm saying? It was
Okay.
just the guest that was invited.
He was
Okay.
15.
So
Step
someone
after
just
the
called
name.
me, like 2 people was like, you need
So you rented the house and just let it
No,
to
I
who'd you
came
leave it
for
to?
my son. It's my son's 17th birthday today.
Oh, okay.
So I came over here or whatever, and somebody called me on Facebook and was like, hey, you need to go over there to the Airbnb. All these, I don't even know half of these kids. My son gave me a list, it was 8 kids.
So why'd you leave your kid here unattended?
I got 7 kids at home. I just went home to take a shower and come back.
Okay.
I went home to take a shower and come back. And my cousin,
Can I
he
do
live out there where I live, he said, you need to go check out the Airbnb. They got a shitload of people, a party. So that's what I just came here and I said, y'all need to leave, everybody to go. And that's what I was doing, making
What would you like us
everybody
to
leave.
do with the information pertaining to the
All right, y'all cannot come in this house. I'm trying to get my stuff.
Well, no. Bye.
I'm trying to get my
Goodbye.
stuff so I can
Goodbye,
go home.
dude. You already need to leave.
Everything out of here. You can't get that out of here.
It's in the room.
Okay, I will get it.
All right, thank you.
You need to go home. Y'all can't go in here. Nobody can go in here.
She rented it for her son's 17th, went home to go see her kids.
Went home where?
I live in Dixie Lane.
Went home to Dixie Lane.
I went and took a shower. I cooked for my smaller kids, and
She
I
starts
came
getting
back.
phone calls
Someone
that you need to
called me
come
and
back
was like,
here
you
now.
need to go to the Airbnb. They having a party. So that's when I just got out here when y'all was.
Who else was here?
Who was here?
Her son.
Well, my friend right here in the car. She's old enough. She was just here.
And how did this get out of hand?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
I'll be right back.
I came here, and then I left to take a shower, cook for my kids, and it just got. Well, my cousin came and called me. He said, "You need to go see what's going on at the Airbnb." And I rushed back over here just as soon as he said that.
Is that your son in the gray shirt there?
My son going home.
Okay.
Let's NTA her for open house party. It's a misdemeanor. Are you okay? By the way, you good?
They want to call his mom because he doesn't want to go to the hospital. Do you
He doesn't have a choice. He's in custody.
Okay, so that's what I'm saying. What do you want to do?
He doesn't have a choice.
You want him to go to the hospital?
So what are you charging him? Why did we spray him? I don't know any of this stuff
So
yet.
when I was out here getting everybody, I was running the tags, whatever. Next thing you know, I see Chris. The kid has his arm around Chris's neck. Chris goes to the ground. He's got Chris basically around the neck like this.
Oh, so we have this. So this is Bat Leo.
Correct.
So he needs to go to DJJ.
Correct.
So yes, let's go to the hospital, get him medically cleared, and we'll go to DJJ.
Okay. Do you want to let them know that? You want me to just follow with my car, or how do you?
I want you to take the arrest and follow him there, and then Chris can write a PC up for you and send it to you. Chris, we're going with Bat Leo on him, right? Okay.
You don't get a phone call.
So we're transporting him north for clearance, and he's going to jail.
Okay.
Kick your feet up and have a seat.
Come on.
You get a phone. We're going to call your mom here shortly. One thing at a time.
How many kids was it planned?
It's supposed to have been 8.
Oh, that's right.
8. Okay. You left. How long were you gone for?
801, 87 Charlie, charging
My
him
people that's in this car, they just came before me.
Yeah.
Because I got little kids at home as I was.
Was there
just
alcohol or anything here before you left?
Nothing was here, sir. If anything was here, it was hidden from my eyes. I didn't see anything. That was my purpose of coming here to check.
Okay. All right. Give me a minute. I'll give you all that paperwork.
Before you drive away and make a bad mistake, have you had anything to drink tonight?
No.
Nothing at all.
No.
You're not.
I don't drink.
I'm just asking. You're not in trouble if you have. I'm just making sure that if you get behind this wheel with any kind of percentage of alcohol, you're going to jail.
Yeah, I don't.
You want me to drive?
Did you drink enough?
I would. Can she wait for me?
Yes. I don't think. I don't think she needs to drive. Devin.
I missed your boo.
Hey, put that in evidence for me. So I can go do the blue team.
I'm not even on this call.
You are now. Everybody's on this call.
Man.
Broke my goddamn radio. Who rat stole my hat and
You're doing what?
hit it.
I'm trying to find somebody's missing husband.
We're not. That's not it.
Under Payton v. New York, warrantless entry into a residence is presumptively unconstitutional under the Fourth Amendment. Short-term rental occupants possess full home. Georgia v. Randolph dictates that a physically present occupant's express refusal of consent completely bars warrantless entry. Welsh v. Wisconsin strictly prohibits manufacturing exigent circumstances to enforce minor non-jailable offenses like underage drinking. Plain view observation of a misdemeanor does not override threshold refusal or grant unilateral entry authority. Subsequent use of force is evaluated under Graham v. Connor, weighing crime severity, immediate threat, and active resistance. Lesson 1. Unlawful entry creates severe constitutional vulnerabilities that compromise downstream charges such as battery on law enforcement. Lesson 2. Officers must prioritize exterior crowd dispersal and host identification over forced threshold encounters for public order misdemeanors. Lesson 3. Tactical patience and strict adherence to Fourth Amendment boundaries are mandatory when engaging juveniles at private dwellings.